Solar panel stand. Solar panel mount brackets or stand should be made of galvanized iron coated with protected zinc. Do not use iron or any other material. Solar panels stand price around the world. DC wire mostly used in 4 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm with the pure copper. DC wire capacity as per mm. 4 mm wire capacity 36 amps. 6 mm wire capacity 44 amps. 10 mm wire capacity 61 amps. Price for DC copper wire around the world. MC4 connectors. MC4 connectors is used for connecting DC cable joints. Price for MC4 connectors around the world. DC circuit breaker. DC circuit breaker used for protecting solar panels, inverter and batteries from short circuit. 32 amps is required for small setup around 400 watts to 10 kilowatt solar panel system. DC circuit breaker price around the world. Earthing. We are using 3 type of earthing. Earthing protect our inverter, solar panels and appliances. There are 3 type of earthing: AC earthing, DC earthing, lightning arrestor earthing.